Sumac has powerful searching capabilities, so you can find anything in your database: contacts, donation information, client and volunteer data, memberships, tickets, everything. This video guides you through the basic concepts of searching in Sumac. It covers basic searching features, search criteria and operators, searching in lists, and searching with multiple criteria. It also shows examples of some common searches. Searching your data is about more than just being able to find things. Effective searching brings many, far-reaching benefits. Focus. Communicate with exactly the best group of people on any particular issue, so your constituents see only communications that are relevant to them. Analyze. Look at your data from many different angles, combinations, and perspectives to gain insight. Assess. Report and focus on what really matters. Enhance data. Search to find data inconsistencies, then clean them up in bulk. Once you've mastered searching, you'll be amazed at what you can do. So let's get started. Each list in Sumac stores a particular type of data. The contact list holds information about contacts. The donations list holds donation records. The communications list has communications. When you're trying to find certain things in your Sumac database, search for it within the appropriate list. For example, if you are looking for contact data, find it by searching in the contact list. If you are looking for donation data, find it by searching in the donations list. If you are looking for membership data, search in the memberships list. Let's start in contacts. Searching features work the same way in every list. The search panel is located at the top of the list window. In the search panel, notice the search type drop-down menu. This lets you access the different search criteria available for the list you're looking at. In the contact list, the search type drop-down menu has search criteria relating to contacts, like contact types, communication preferences, or even specific fields within the contact record. Let's do a search with only one search criterion: find our board members. In most Sumac databases, board membership is recorded as a contact type, so we choose contact type. That shows a second drop-down menu where we choose which contact type we're interested in finding. Choose board member. Click Search, and Sumac produces your list of board members. Another common single criterion search looks for contacts with a particular communication preference. For example, perhaps you need to find everyone who wants your newsletter. Choose the search type Communication Preference. Then choose the communication preference Newsletter. Click Search, and Sumac finds all the contacts in your database who want your newsletter. You've just learned basic searching in Sumac. Searching is at the top of every list in Sumac, and it shows the search results in the list of records. When you search in your database, you are asking Sumac to find records in your database which satisfy search criteria that you specify. Search criteria are the building blocks of your question. They define exactly what information you are looking for. Instead of viewing every record, Sumac responds to your question by showing you only the records that match your criteria. A search can be composed of a single criterion or multiple criteria. Let's look at some examples. Find contacts who live in Chicago. Find donations over $100. Find who attended your recent gala. Find contacts who live in Chicago or New York. Find donations over $100 given in the past 6 months. Find contacts who have attended our recent gala and have signed up for our newsletter, or have given a donation in the past month. Notice that the different criteria in these examples are linked together using certain words, and or. These connector words connect search criteria together to create more precise searches. The most common connectors are and or. Let's review when each connector is appropriate. Using an and connector means that the results must satisfy both the criteria in your search. For example, if we are considering people who have glasses and others who have mustaches, an and search shows only the people who have both glasses and a mustache. Using an or connector means that the search results must meet either the first criterion, or the second criterion, or both. An or search shows the people who have either glasses, or a mustache, or both. Now that we have had a fun look at and or, consider some more realistic examples. When you link search criteria with an and connector, Sumac finds only the results that satisfy both the criteria in your search. For example, perhaps you need to find contacts who donated in the last month and attended your last event. Because the criteria are connected with an and, Sumac finds only contacts in your database who did both things. Contacts who made a donation in the last month but did not attend your last event will not be included in the results Sumac finds. When you link search criteria with an or connector, Sumac finds results that meet either the first criterion, or the second criterion, or both criteria. For example, perhaps you want to find contacts who donated in the last month or attended your last event. Because the criteria are connected with an or, Sumac finds contacts who did either or both things. Now that we've learned some of the basics, check out more training videos to learn more about searching in Sumac.